I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going over how to take the seat off of your mobility scooter, so stay tuned. Today we're going over how to remove the seat on your mobility scooter. I want to start off saying that this should apply to most scooters on the market. The small folding travel scooters would be an exception. A lot of times those seats are actually installed on the unit and cannot be removed, or they have their own unique way for each scooter to do that. This is just a general video. I've got a medium-sized scooter here. This is the new Pride Victory Platinum scooter. It's a really cool scooter. It's got the easy turn technology, magnetic charger, all the new stuff on the market. But this video will apply to this scooter, smaller scooters like all the Go-Go's, like the Elite Travelers, or the larger scooters, including the Wrangler and the Pursuit 2. So they all have the exact same removal method for the seat, just the bigger scooters are going to have a heavier seat and it'll be a little bit more awkward. Before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Now we're going to get to taking the seat off. So the first thing I recommend doing is folding the seat down. Most of the Go-Go's or a lot of these medium-sized scooters, you just push the seat down, pretty straightforward. Some of the larger ones are going to have a captain's seat, so you're going to have a handle on the right-hand side. You pull up. It's spring-loaded, so when you pull up the handle, the seat will fold down. You might have to move the arms out of the way to get it to go flat, but it's just a lot easier to pick up like this. Now, the next step, a lot of these seats do have a swivel seat, but you actually do not have to pull that handle to get these up. So a good majority of the scooters on the market, all you have to do is lift straight up. Don't lift back. You're not going to get a good angle, and it's just not going to come, and you're going to say, why is this not working? Lift straight up and down. It should come up very easily. You can see the mechanism is just this post right here, goes into the seat post right here, it slides right in. I should have an overlay of what that looks like on the screen. You just lift straight up. You do not have to pull the handle. I'm going to get it back in. To put the seat back in, you just line it up and drop it in. Sometimes you have to wiggle it a little bit, but it should snap right in. So you do not have to use this handle at all. You should be able to lift straight up. Now there is a small majority of scooters that might have a locking mechanism in there where you do have to lift the handle and then lift straight up, but that's not very common. And a lot of times what you can do is lift the handle, turn the seat a little bit so that it's not locked, and then you can lift up. You don't have to hold the handle the entire time. But most modern scooters on the market today, you do not have to do that. So now we're going to troubleshoot just a little bit. So you might be pulling straight up and you're wondering, why is this not going? This is a brand new scooter. That was very easy. If your scooter's been sitting for a while, it might be rusted in there, it might be stuck in there, maybe the rubber is dry rotted. So what I would recommend is getting some WD-40, kind of getting down here and spraying the mechanism. So try and get the WD-40 into that seat mechanism. And then from there, I'll pull the handle and kind of twist it in there, make sure it really gets in there. That should help break any seal that's holding this in together. And you might have to pull a lot harder or get a second person to do this. But eventually you should be able to kind of keep pulling, twisting. Like I said, lock this in so that it swivels so you can pull and twist at the same time. If it is stuck, and eventually it should come right up. So again, we would just WD-40 the inside of this while the seat's still on, twist it around, and try to get the seat in that way. So let me install this back on. Again, this applies to almost every scooter on the market. That includes the big ones like the Wrangler or the small ones like the Go-Go. I have the Victory Platinum here. This is a new scooter. Pretty cool. You should check it out. I'll have a link in the description for it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. If you want to order any of our scooters or you need any parts or batteries, we ship all over the country. Go ahead and give us a call or visit our website down below. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.